Hi, I'm Linda, and this is Strategy Lab. Today, we are going to talk about growing your handmade business. I'll be doing a video series of 5-minute strategy hacks you can use. Today, we're going to start with how to drive traffic with a free tool on Etsy. So if you have an Etsy shop that's struggling, or your views are down, your sales are down, this is a perfect hack to try. It works for me almost every time, so you stick with me. Etsy shop updates are a perfect way to drive traffic, paired with another hack that I'll be sharing with you tomorrow. So let's get started and I'll give you the tutorial. So you're going to log into your Etsy account through the Sellers app, and at the bottom where it says More with the little lines, you'll log in there and then go to Marketing. Click that and hit Social Media. Let that load, scroll to the bottom, the very, very bottom, and you'll see these little blocks. Like one says your workspace, your process, your items in the wild, and you can post in any of those. Then click the plus sign at the top, choose an existing photo or take a photo. So we're going to go into our camera and we're going to choose a photo from our photos. And we're looking for photos. Okay, then we're going to choose this photo. And then we have to scroll through to find our item that matches that or goes with it. There we go. Then you're going to move that little tag out of the way. Don't leave it in the middle because that just looks terrible and it kind of distracts. Put it on the very corner at the top or at the bottom, and then you're going to write a description. And I don't know, something's wrong with the Etsy app, so you can't really see what you're writing, so you have to guess, but work with it. Maybe it's just my phone, I don't know, but go ahead and write a little caption. It doesn't have to be anything too fancy, just short and quick. You can put a coupon code in there. I always put like little emojis and, to spruce it up. And then click share on Etsy. And a social media thing will pop up as well. And you can use that if you want to. I don't, but. And that's it. That's your 5-minute hack. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below of other things that you might be interested in me helping you with, whether it be Etsy, Amazon, or anything to do with your handmade business. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow with the next 5-minute hack.